Well, me and Cameron's come into a different quarry today. I'm out with Cameron, my nephew, and Cameron spotted this with, there was a couple of little birds flew out of the swampy area as we came in from up there, and I think they were sandpipers, or they might have been the ring plovers or something like that. We were right down there when they flew out, so we didn't see what they were too for. But little tiny chick there. You can just see the camouflage colour. It's slightly moving. It's got its head buried under the moss. I can see a beak there. And there's a little beak sticking out that end. There it is. That's what flew out. It knows we're here, so. But there's the one chick there, but there's going to be another two. So we're going to have to be like very careful as we're going back out. Because that was perfectly camouflaged. Right, that's the bird that we've just found the chick to. That's the parent bird. It hasn't flew very far away. It's up on the well. It's a couple of 100 yards away from where I am. I don't know if I've zoomed in too far, if I've got good quality. I hope I'm not getting a good quality picture of that. And there it goes. That's how far away it was. Right, we'll find the little, wait, Cameron found the little chick in the swamp there. Right. We're going to leave this quarry, let the birds get back. Gone somewhere different. Because our oyster catcher's spoiling everything.